translational kinetic energy and elastic potential energy of springs. Let x1 be the displacement of, we will show separately here. Okay, let x1 be the displacement of this. Okay, if I move like this, the spring will be compressed, no? So kx1, and write it, and this will be compressed. Sorry, kx1, and this will be 2kx2. This will be omega c, and it will be vc. What action friction x? Let's not bother. But net work done by rolling friction should be 0. I think nobody asked, sir, why you're not to work done by friction. I am really surprised. Huh? Sir, why there is no work done by friction? Net work done by rolling friction should be 0, no? That's why work done by friction is 0 here. That's why mechanical energy is conserved. You don't say rolling friction will not do work. It does work. Translational work will done will become equal to rotation work. Net work done will become 0. If you go back again, you can see from here. So it does negative translation work, positive rotation work. Net work done will be 0. Again, as it moves, so what it does, positive translation work. So it should decrease the value. So like it does positive translation work, negative rotation work. Net work done will be 0. The role of friction also very important. You should analyze here. Okay, let's get into this particular problem. I do have, so what is x1? X1 equal to xc. So we have to show that. So what is x2? X2 should be equal to 2x because displacement of center of mass will be the x, let me take it, x equal to, so the spring 1 is connected to the center of mass. So therefore the deformation of this spring should be equal to displacement of center of mass. For pure rolling, the displacement of highest point should be twice the displacement of center of mass. So we have 2x1. Okay, let's write oscillation energy. E naught is equal to k x1 square by 2, 2k x2 square by 2, m v square by 2, or vc only will write it, where v equal to r omega, and in fact v equal to dx by dt. I should replace all the things. So this will be kx square by 2. K, what is x2? 4, 4, 4, 2 ja 8, 8, 9 kx square by 2 mv square. Omega, r omega square, we can write v square. So this will become mv square by 4. Okay, this will become 9 kx square by 2. This will be 3m v square by 4. We'll end up something of like this. Okay, this is a time period. We got it. What about friction? How friction will act? I think we have to put effort. We should go back to again the rolling motion. This one. So to get the direction of friction, what we should do? to get the direction of friction, what you should do, like if you apply a force to F, here if F, so how the friction will act, you assume any one direction and try to solve. But I think we should make an exact guess, because the direction of friction will not be constant, will be varying harmonically here also. So what you should do is like, this will be 2kx. Okay, 2k x2. X2 is again 2x1, so 4kx, here kx will act here. So if a force acts at highest point, the friction should act forward. If a force acts at the center of mass, friction should act backward. Now both the forces are acting. So therefore you assume any one direction, solve it. If you get direction of friction negative, you have to change it. Then get expression for the friction here. But it will do very harmonically. So you go back to the, let me just assume the friction here. It should be like this here. Now why 4kx? I think what is the spring constant here? 2k, no? And this is k. Getting the idea? This will be. So the friction will act here. So if you just slightly displace and release, no, so it's going to roll like this. And it will, and what will happen? The springs will remain horizontal. You know, all this condition is like this. You do get plenty of good questions of rolling idea. You should be very careful.